Okay, today's tutorial will be on how to make oatmeal with Coach's oats. So I'm gonna put Costco's frozen berries. This is all of the ingredients that you see used in this video will be or bought from Costco, except the cinnamon, which was bought from Sam's, and the honey too. But anyway, the first thing I do is get a Pyrex bowl. This Pyrex bowl is about, it's about 8 inches across. Can you see that? Okay, 8 inches across. And what I do is take the Coach's oats and fill it up in the bowl, and I put about that much in there. Can you see that? I'm not sure. Okay, it's about, I would say, 1/8 of the level of the bowl, maybe a little bit more. So, kind of level it out again. Make sure it's about 1/8. If it's more than 1/8 or about 1/4 of the bowl, what's gonna happen is the oatmeal will soak up a lot of your water or your milk, and the oatmeal will get really dry. So next thing I need to do is add some soy milk to it. Again, this is the Costco's organic soy milk, vanilla soy milk. So it has sugar in here. So it starts off a little sweet. So let's see. Okay. Here's what the oatmeal looks like with the soy milk in it. I have done I filled the soy milk about double the amount of oatmeal that I have. So you can see that this is where the oatmeal ends, and this is where the soy milk ends here, right here, the line about there. At this point, we can choose to add in the cinnamon. Cinnamon is really good because it's supposed to have benefits for your heart. Okay, I need to stir that around. Okay. Now this whole process takes about half an hour. I know that some of you may want a quick way to make oatmeal, but I always thought that making this oatmeal doesn't take any it's not any quicker than stove cooked oatmeal, but it's definitely easier and you don't have to watch it. But I'm gonna put it into the microwave. I'm gonna put it in for 15 minutes at about 40% power, and then what I'll do is I'll stop the tape and then I'll come back after the cooking's done, and then I'll show you what it looks like.